Hi, today we're going to look at the same seated posture as we looked at before with the home application with the pillow behind the back, but we're going to talk about the office chair, which is a huge either make or break situation for my neck and headache patients. As we brought up earlier with the chair, most people want to sit with this vertical component in an inclined back posture, and again what that does, that produces that forward head posture. So the first recommendation I would have here is that we lower the seat down just a little bit. So if you can do that, Amanda, we're going to go back into that 90 degree position. At home, we talked about a pillow, which works really good. At the office, and then eventually we'll get out to the car and we'll show you what to do in the car seat. There's a pillow, which is called a Medicare back pillow I use frequently with my patients, that we can use, and we will substitute that for the pillow. As with the car seat, it has a nice Velcro or elastic strap that we can put behind the thoracic spine, which then again puts that spine into a vertical position and automatically brings that head back where we want that head to be. The other cool thing with this chair, I'm going to take this from you, Amanda, there is an adjustment on this chair that can put that same stress, and that might be a little bit too much there. This chair now has the ability to lean forward, and you probably saw it leans even further than vertical. That automatically becomes your pillow, and then you don't have to use that pillow. So again, 90, try to get your spine into a vertical position, which then automatically takes your head out of the forward head alignment, decreases the stress at the lower and upper cervical spine.